Oh boy, that's a nice fish. That is a nice fish. Woo! Oh, he's off. Oh, shoot. That was a good one. Oh, man. Oh, man. Ah. Just when I put my guard down, it's always when you get the fish. That was a nice one. All right. A slow morning. One really nice fish on, but didn't get it in the net. I think it's time for a little coffee break. Let's see how some coffee tastes with this nice, beautiful, clear water from the river. There we go. We have fire. That water boiling. Make a nice cup of coffee. Warm myself up. Already boiling. Very good. Quick. All right, we gotta get one in the net after this coffee break. Look at that. We got some skwalas. Are they eating each other or mating? What's going on? Ooh, skwalas. Holla if you skwala. Alright. There they are. There they are, the skwalas. Well, no fish to the net today. Had a really nice one on that I got on the TJ hooker. just came off, but great fish. Jumped in the air probably 4 times. Had one more on with a streamer. I think I had another streamer bite, but overall, good day to be fishing. We'll see you next time.